And you know, once we reach a certain age, many feel, hey, I could use a little lift. Now there's a new kind of ultrasound technology that helps your own skin turn back the clock on sagging and wrinkles. We went to Dr. Jennifer Pennoyer in Bloomfield to learn more.
This is the newest, latest, greatest that we've got in the office, and it really is a lot of fun. For those of you that follow along and like to know the latest, greatest, in the past we've had thermage, which used radio frequency and would tighten the collagen a little bit. Now we can get much deeper.
Dr. Pennoyer is a board-certified dermatologist and says Ultherapy is the new gold standard for people who want to lift without going under the knife. The ultrasound energy causes your own skin to make more collagen and elastin.
We're making your body do the work. We're stimulating your skin to make some new collagen, some new elastin, which will then tighten and lift that skin.
So what are the ideal spots? Where can we use this?
Probably our most popular areas are really the jawline, to give some better jawline definition, really lift up some of that turkey gobble neck that we all can get. Also a brow lift, which is great. As we age, all of our eyebrows try to fall under that orbital rim, so we can really help lift that up, opening the eyes more. We've marked out the areas on the skin, and Leanne has been marked out on her face as well. And we're going to be delivering 60 pulses in each of these boxes. What Lorraine is doing here is using ultrasound in that machine, so we can specifically target the layers of skin. We want to stay above bone, and we want to know exactly where that energy is being delivered for the best result. It's not a painful procedure. We do treat you with an ibuprofen, but Leanne, how comfortable is this for you?
Oh, slightly uncomfortable, but, you know, very tolerable.
Like, you don't seem to be in pain.
Not at all.
Clients will see some improvement right away, but since it's your own body doing the work, real results build over time.
Really, the results unfold over 2 to 3 months. For the most part, you can get some improvement up to 6 months out. So really, the final results are 6 months later.
Just look at the before and after shots.
What you're seeing here is the eyebrows lifting up. We have less of an overhang, you know, but this is not a brow lift. It's not a surgical procedure, but we've opened up that eye. By tightening and lifting up some of that collagen, we can get better jawline definition. It is not a facelift, and that's the most important thing that I stress to patients. If you want to bounce a quarter off your cheek, this is not the procedure for you. But if you want to tighten that neck a little bit, get a little bit better jawline definition, raise that brow, open your eyes a little more, this is perfect.
Right.
And it really is a painless way to go about doing that.
And you don't have to go under the knife either.
And no knife and no downtime.
It's the first ultrasound device to win FDA approval for tightening skin.
The same energy we use to get our ultrasounds when we're pregnant.
Well, that would sort of make me feel better. If it's okay to aim it at infants, and we've done that for years,
Absolutely.
and theoretically it's not going to hurt your chin.
Exactly.
Dr. Pennoyer lets me see what it feels like.
You got good thick skin, Carrie. You're good. You felt it, though. I mean, you know it's there.
Yeah, but I barely felt it. Static electricity hurts more.
All right, so the results are good for 1 to 2 years. I didn't get the whole procedure done. I just got to see how it felt.
You don't really need
No, but you know, in a few years,
Yeah.
you know what it's all about. Okay,
Yeah.
The cool thing is you can do this any time of year with no downtime. You can go right back in the sun if you need to. If you want to learn more, we have linked Dr. Pennoyer's website to ours. And also, she is offering right now a special of 25% off any service you choose in March.
That is amazing. Thank you. We appreciate that so much. Right in Bloomfield, too. And no downtime. That's what I really like about that.
Yeah, you could just go on vacation right after. You know, some peels and stuff you have to wait. You can't go in the sun. So.
Sweetie, sweetie, look at this. Look at these beautiful cannolis.
And then after you eat a cannoli, you can go to her for Cool Sculpt, where they freeze off the fat.
They were, yeah, they look like they were baked in a bakery, but Christine Geronimo is going to teach us how to make them coming up next on Better. Look at this. Beautiful.
She says they're cheap and easy.
All right.